Hi, this is Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learn recipes as one. Today we're going to have a quick and easy scrambled egg and cheese hot dog. Going with the hot dog theme for summer, I'm going to bring you a really quick hot dog. If you weren't holding the camera, you could probably do this in 6 minutes or less. So we have cheddar cheese, two beef hot dogs that are uncured, no nitrates. We got large eggs for the scrambled eggs, hot dog rolls. We got some yellow mustard, ketchup if we want, and some white cheese. So we're going to start off by cooking these hot dogs in the pan. So we're going to get those going. And right after that, we'll scramble the egg. We'll put everything together in the buns. And then we'll top it with cheese. And we'll put it in the microwave. Like, you could put it back in the pan with a cover and try to bake it. I mean, like, try to warm it to melt the cheese. Or you could just use the microwave. So today is Friday's upload. And thanks for taking this journey with me. Alright, so we're done with those hot dogs. And I'm going to turn the fire off for a bit. But they're done. Now we're going to scramble the eggs. Alright, so we're going to use 2 of those brown eggs. We have the hot dogs. And I just put canola spray in there. I used that. So we'll go ahead and we'll scramble the 2 eggs. Alright, so we have the 2 eggs in there. And we'll get the scramble on them. Alright, so like I said, it doesn't take long to scramble eggs. So I have the pan on low. I'm just going to finish this off. And then we'll start making the hot dogs. Alright, so those are done. And we're going to transfer them to the hot dog plate. And then, like I said, we'll get going on putting them together. And like I said, this is a really quick recipe. It wouldn't take as long if you weren't doing it step by step or filming with a camera. Alright, so we're done. Like I said, we have the hot dogs and the scrambled eggs. I actually went ahead and while we were between break, I put another egg in there. So I have 3 eggs. So it's better to have extra instead of too little. And then I can always eat it later separately, or you can too. So we'll get started now. Alright, so like I said, I got that ready. And I have the buns ready. And so now take your yellow mustard. And you're going to want to put it inside the bun. Because you'll add a little bit of mustard to the hot dog. So just squeeze that in there. And we'll put the hot dog in there. So now you have the mustard taste under the hot dog. Alright, so the thing I did next was I took my ketchup and I put some ketchup down. So the next thing you're going to want to do is take the egg and put it on top, or you could actually put the cheese first, whatever you want to do. Actually, I might actually just put the cheese down first, then the egg on top. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, so I took the white cheese, I put some of that on, and now I'm going to put the cheddar. Then after that, I'll put the egg on top. I thought it would actually be better to have the egg on top and the melted cheddar cheese underneath. But it's your cook. Do it the way you want. Alright, YouTube and Facebook. I just put the layer of cheddar cheese down there. And next I'm going to top it with egg. The only thing is, when you make these hot dogs with a lot of stuff inside, sometimes these hot dog rolls can't handle everything, so it's like overstuffed, but not much you can do unless you can find like really big jumbo hot dog rolls. But the main thing is for it to taste good. But this is going to be your scrambled egg hot dog. We all love eggs and scrambled eggs, and we all love hot dogs. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, there's our scrambled egg on top. It looks really delicious. You could actually eat it like that, even if you didn't want to warm it. If you wanted the cheese to be cold. But like I said, this is your recipe, so do it the way you want. But I'm going to throw this in the microwave. And like I said, always do it 20 or 30 seconds at a time and judge it. Because all microwaves are different and all food is different. So let me do this. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, there's your scrambled egg and cheese hot dog. You can see the cheese melted in there. I ended up microwaving it for 70 seconds. I probably could have done it for another 10 to get the cheese more melted. But this is actually perfect for my taste. But that's how you make really quick hot dog, a scrambled egg and cheese hot dog. And if you want it, you could always top it with ketchup. That's up to you. But yeah, like I said, you can see the cheese melted in there. And make for some really good flavors. If you want, like I said, you could put ketchup on top. Alright, Facebook and YouTube, back one last time. I actually topped one of them with ketchup because I wanted to keep the other one like it was to get the true taste. I tasted it while you were gone and that thing was excellent. But this is one with ketchup on there. So it's your hot dog, your cook. Do whatever's best for you. So thanks for visiting my channel. This is Friday's upload. I will see you Monday again. Have a great weekend. Thanks for visiting my channel. Hit subscribe, hit the bell, share my page with your friends and family, and be safe. Peace.